Hello friends, today's topic, see the power of 10,000 and get amazed. I am Dr. Bharat Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Long-term appreciation of shares is one of the greatest examples of compounding of money. To take maximum benefit from compounding, we need to hold good stocks for 10, 20 or 30 years. Assuming an investor invested rupees 10,000 in January 2000 in stocks of different indices, we have calculated the value of the investment as of today. Don't miss our observations and comments at the end of the video. Value of 10,000 invested in January 2000 in Nifty 50 stocks. 1. Adani Enterprises, today's value 6.67 lakhs and CAGR 18% per annum. 2. Asian Paints 19.1 lakhs 24% CAGR. 3. Axis Bank 18.6 23% CAGR. 4. Bajaj Finance 1.62 crores 35% CAGR. 5. Britannia 7.9 19% CAGR. 6. Eicher Motors 96.88 lakhs and 32% CAGR. 7. HDFC Bank 9.71 lakhs 20% CAGR. 8. L&T 7.73 and 19% CAGR. 9. Grasim 3.81 lakhs at 16% CAGR. 10. HUL 1.20 lakhs 11% CAGR. 11. Infosys 1.58 lakhs 12% CAGR. 12. JSW Steel 1.77 crores at 35% CAGR. 13. M&M 4.9 lakhs 17% CAGR. 14. Reliance Industries 6.62 lakhs at 18% CAGR. 15. Titan 44.59 lakhs at 28% CAGR. Now going to value of 10,000 invested in January 2000 Nifty next 50 stocks. Chola Investment invested 10,000, today's value 18.76 lakhs at 24% CAGR. To Canara Bank 2003, the calculation started 87,000 at 10% CAGR. 3. Dabur 2.88 lakhs 14% CAGR. 4. Havells 2001 1.02 crores and 34% CAGR. 5. IOC 1.08 lakhs 10% CAGR. 6. Pidilite Industries 9.14 lakhs 20% CAGR. 7. Shree Cement 37.44 lakhs 27% CAGR. 8. Siemens 14.22 lakhs at 22% CAGR. 9. Samvardhana Motherson 1.25 crores at 33% CAGR. 10. TVS Motors 11.17 lakhs at 21% CAGR. 11. Tata Power 6.22 lakhs 18% CAGR. 12. United Spirits 2.67 lakhs 14% CAGR. 13. Vedanta 17.11 lakhs at 23% CAGR. Value of 10,000 invested in January 2000 Nifty Mid Cap 50 stocks. 1. Ashoka Leyland 10,000 invested has become 3.74 lakhs at 16%. 2. Colgate Palmolive 3.72 lakhs at 16% CAGR. 3. Balkrishna Industries 81.92 lakhs 31% CAGR. 4. Bharat Forge 4.39 lakhs at 16%. 5. Escorts 2.98% with 15%. 6. HPCL 1.36 at 11%. 7. Indian Hotels 2.53 lakhs at 14% CAGR. 8. Lupin 65.82 lakhs at 30% CAGR. 9. MRF 5.61 at 18% CAGR. 10. Oracle Financial Services started from 2002, 4.62 lakhs at 18% CAGR. 11. SAIL 1.39 lakhs at 11% CAGR. 12. UPL 1.14 crores at the rate of 33% CAGR. 13. Tata Communication Today's value 32,000 at CAGR 5%. Suppose rupees 10,000 was invested in post office deposit assuming 8% per annum interest. Today's value would be only rupees 68,000. Now observations and comments regarding this video. Number 1. Doing proper fundamental analysis and selecting good stocks is most important for making profits in the long term. You can see the huge difference in today's value between different stocks. 2. To learn fundamental analysis in a structured way and to get the required expertise to select good stocks, it is wise to attend a good stock market course. 3. Apart from selecting good stocks, you must compulsorily monitor stocks every 3 months to ensure that their fundamentals are intact. 4. We have intentionally selected only profitable stocks in the list. There are many other companies which have given loss to the investor even after 24-25 years. 5. We have not considered most of the companies which got listed after the year 2000 so that there will be uniformity in calculation and comparison of returns. Stocks such as TCS, Divi's Labs, Maruti, etc. were all listed much after January 2000. 6. Long-term investment in all stocks will not give profits. Many investors have this misconception. End of the video, here is the question. Which was one of the first stocks you bought for long term? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.